Hello, I'm Spaztastic. Welcome to Spaztastic TV. Have you ever been bored before? Well, it happened to me. So, what I did was I modified this Harbor Freight survival knife. And since me standing here and talking about it would be boring, let me go ahead and show you the little bit of a modification, sort of, that I made to it. So, jump cut. Alright, so the first things first that you notice is probably going to be the paracord around the sheath. I just did that with a simple grommet kit. You can see the little grommet right there. Didn't exactly go through too good, but it was good enough to put around 15 feet of paracord on there. Now, you notice there's something in the paracord? Well, let's jump cut and I'll show you what that is. That'd be this little old school magnesium fire block figure, old school Rambo knife, old school fire starter. So that's pretty much all I've done for like the outside of it. Was I put about, as I said, 15 feet of paracord, and then you want to look inside the handle, which is annoying with this little freaking lanyard that it has on it. But let's go ahead and let's just dump her out. Have a little spool of thread in there. And that's where one thing actually is missing in here is I would actually like to have a larger sewing needle, because this is the kind of thread that you use for sewing. I also have a Victorinox. It's a legit Victorinox too in there, which you might be asking yourself right now, why would you stick a $20 knife inside of an $8 knife? Well, there's things that knife can do that that big knife can't. There's things that big knife can do that that little knife can't. And mini bic. Because why not? I mean, the whole idea behind this is I was just going to throw it in my truck, but I also got bored and figured I was going to throw something up here on the YouTubes, and hopefully I didn't bore you to death. But that's a little bit of a modifications that I made to my Harbor Freight survival knife because I was bored. Hopefully this was entertaining. If not, let me know down in the comments section. But anyhow, if you made it to this point in the video, thanks for watching.